Guys, I have a confession to make. I don't know what the hell to wear with these sneakers, guys. Stay tuned to see what I try to put together. Video's coming right up. Next, y'all. Ladies and gentlemen, salute. Appreciate everybody for pulling up for today's video, guys. Coming up this weekend, Saturday, January the 23rd, Adidas and Yeezy are bringing back the 700 V1, a sneaker that we didn't get any drops of at all last year. So we got the 700 V1 Sun dropping at a lowered retail price of just $240, guys. These joints are absolutely crazy. I love this sneaker, guys. They do give me OG vibes. Of course, you got the blue, you got the green, you got the black going on, but what makes this sneaker its own entire different vibe is you got the yellow mustard color on the top and you got that tangerine orange colored sole. So these joints are crazy, crazy. If you guys are looking to pick these up, do not sleep. It looks like, to my knowledge, they are not dropping these in any retail stores. So being that these are just an online only drop, it's gonna make your chances to cop these a little bit harder. Remember, you gotta deal with bots. These do retail at a lower price. So resellers are gonna be out to get these. Little profit margin to be made, so do not sleep. I tried to throw some fits together, and then I realized that because these are so loud, there's so many colors going on with the sneaker, it was kind of tough to get fits off. So kind of going to give y'all a few little outfit ideas. Now, me personally, y'all already know I'm not going to be mixing and matching, so you won't see tangerine, you're not going to see yellow in any of these fits, guys. I tried to go with colors that complemented the sneaker, guys, so we're going to see a lot of greens going on here. You're going to see a lot of grays. You might even catch a little black here. So to make it short, guys, let's just go ahead and get right into the first look. All right, so on look number one, we went with a little leather vibe. Shout out to my boy Bless CM. So I told you guys, I try my best to put joints together with these sneakers. So the leather pants come to us from H&M, so you have an affordable piece. Not even leather, these pleather pants retail at $50, guys. And what I like about these joints right here, of course, you got that nice brown color, which complements the mustard very well. Now, when you normally pick up leather pants, traditionally, they are a little more slim fitted due to the material, but these joints are the exception, a lot more loose of a fit, which is more comfortable to me, and I like the way that these sit on the sneaker, got that more baggy look, which to me complements Yeezys much better. I know a lot of you guys like the slim fitted jeans. The looser aesthetic works great with Yeezy footwear, and it's much more comfortable, like I mentioned. Now on the top, this hoodie is a forest green color, which again is gonna complement that mustard very well, guys. And if you guys follow the channel, you would already know I like to rip my hoodies down the middle just to kind of give it a vibe. It's more of that vintage look. It's gonna highlight your pieces. Just those small little details like that, to me, make a big difference. So I try my best for this first look, guys. Let me know what y'all think about outfit number one in the comment section down below. So for look number one, we went with the leather pant. And for look number two, wanted to switch it up with the denim vibe. So if you guys are familiar with Gallery Department, they are based out of Los Angeles. And what they do is they rework vintage pieces with custom tailors. But again, you are paying a premium price. These jeans right here are more affordable. Pick these joints up from Jaded London, and I love the vintage look to these guys. They got the paint splatters going on, which is trending at the moment. And my favorite feature of these jeans is the flared bottom. So these are dope, guys. The flared look kind of gives you a more baggy or loose fit, which, like I mentioned earlier, to me complements the Yeezy silhouette much better. So you got the black wash going on, which I feel like works well with this sneaker, guys. You got the little white paint splatters, which also give it a little dope detail. On the top, you got your basic zip up hoodie in this light gray color, which complements the laces. Wanted to go with a basic essential look. Remember, because these sneakers are a little more loud, you want to go with subtle pieces, nothing too loud. So let me know what you guys thought about outfit number two. So for look number two, we went with the darker pant, lighter top. So for look number three, we have the lighter pant, which comes from H&M. So you got a basic pair of affordable H&M cargos. But what I did with these joints to separate myself and not be so basic is we just threw these joints right here in a bucket of bleach, threw some rubber bands, kind of gave it a tie-dye effect. But I'm really happy with the way they came out. Rather than just being your traditional tie-dye, it just kind of gave it a lighter wash with a couple of splatters different colors going on right there. So definitely like the way those came out. The fit on these is a nice, loose, comfortable fit, which again, I feel like complements the Yeezy silhouette. And then on the top, this top, again, it did come from Jaded London, so you do have a few different details going on. You got some type of strange pattern going on. The reason I picked this up though is because of the paisley print, which I definitely love. And then you got a couple little light yellow plaid color going on right here, which I feel like it just worked great with this shoe. Not mixing and matching too perfect, but just kind of complementing it. Again, I feel like the black works well with this shoe because you got a little black in there. So dope little top. Again, this joint came from Jaded London. So I felt like it worked well with the shoe. But again, guys, I had a little trouble styling these joints. So I want everybody to let me know, how I did. Did you guys feel any of these fits? You feel like they were all trash? And if you did like the fits, go ahead and rank them. So again, good luck to everybody trying to pick these joints up. So I'm not gonna lie, I love the loud yellow color. In hand, they look great, but putting them on feet, they're a little tougher to style. I feel like I'm not gonna wear these as often, but definitely happy with the pickup. And when comparing these to the OG Wave Runners, gotta give the advantage to the OGs, just cause that colorway just makes it a lot easier, and I feel like it's a lot more practical to wear. So let me know if you guys are picking these joints up Saturday. Good luck to everybody trying to cop. Salute. Appreciate you guys so much for pulling up for today's video, guys. I'm JA. Stay safe, stay blessed. I'm out, y'all.